Okay, so if you want to have a 2007 Chevy Tahoe, and if you don't have the tool to let your tire up and down, which I don't have the tool to let my tire up and down. So what I did, I pulled this off this. It just comes out real easy. I pulled it out the hole right here. We ain't gonna worry about that. We're gonna get, I got one extension. I got two right there, but I got one extension. The size 13-inch socket on the end of it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put this on there. You're gonna have to hit it with a hammer. You gotta hit this with a hammer. I might just leave that little part on there. But just hit it with a little hammer. Get your wrench it, turn it, and it comes down, it's gonna go back up. Same way. But if you don't have the tool, it's a simple fix. Easy. Like again, I'll take 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Okay. Yeah, so that's all you need to do. Get your spare tire off for that if you ain't got the tool. So I'm just tired of my tire being in my trunk. And I used somebody's thing to let it down, but now I ain't got they tool to put it back up there, so I gotta get the tire in my trunk. So that's it. If it feels your helpful, just let me know.